Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? We are here with part 2 of Triple Roll video. If you thought the first part was wild, just wait until you see what's coming next. This time, things are getting even more unpredictable with more twist, more fun, and of course, more version of me. So, stick around to find out and let's dive right in.
Now, here's how we combine all the three characters into a scene. So, firstly, I have renamed this footages to center, right side, and left side according to my position. Okay. So, firstly, place your first clip at the bottom of your timeline. This will act as a base layer. Okay. And this. Now, add the second clip above it. Uh, okay. Then, third clip. Now, with the use of the pen tool, we will draw a mask around the area where the character appears. Okay. Now, let me just select this character, and I will click. I will press M on my keyboard to activate the masking feature. What I will do, just go here and select the pen tool, and just make a mask around this. Now, as you can see that I have created a mask around this character. So adjust it according to this your needs so that it may look pleasing. Okay, and just increase the feathers by going to this masks and mask one. So here you can see that mask feather is there. So increase it accordingly so that the pixels are matched when they are combined with each other. So okay, this is for the right side. Okay, need the same procedure for left side character also. The pro tip is here that pay attention to the lighting and shadows during editing or shooting. Like consistent lighting makes the masking look so natural. Okay, if you see slight overlaps, or adjust the position of mask, or fine tune the feather until it looks smooth. Okay, it is very much important. So basically, this is the I have used increase the mask feather. Okay, so now just double click on this and you have achieved this. So now you can see that I have combined all my three characters into one frame. So let me play this. So you can see this jittery motion just because my system is not very much powerful enough. To make the scene believable, just add some interaction between the character. Like, for example, uh, add keyframes to make one character pass an object to another. Add some sound effects or dialogues that syncs between the role. Enhance the realism by matching the eye lines and make sure the character look at each other. Like as you can see, this that during the shoot I have maintained the eye contact with the other character so that it may look natural. Okay. So it is very much important that all the characters should have the eye contact with each other so that it may look very much pleasing. These small details makes a very huge difference. Okay. Uh, so next you can apply. So now it's time for the final touches. So when you are final touches includes color grading, apply a consistent color grade to all the clips to unify the scene. Now here you can see that there is a mismatch of color. Okay. Next is the sound design. Like here I have shooted with no sound. So Add a background sound. You can also add music also to bring your scene to more life. Okay, this. So when you are happy with everything, just go to file. If you want to export, just go to file, then export it under high quality. Okay, and just like that, you have created a seamless triple roll scene. Okay, the triple roll editing is very much fun, guys, and creative way to tell the stories or add a unique twist to your content.
Alright, that's it for today. Hope you had fun and maybe even learned something new. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, it really helps. And hey, if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the fam, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and I will catch you in the next one.